Hello, in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to add the Metamask wallet in the Brave browser and how to use the Brave browser and to use the Brave wallet, how to use the Brave wallet in the Brave browser and how to add the Metamask wallet in the Brave browser. So let's get started. So right now I have a Brave browser right now. Usually I use Firefox, but today I want to try out the Brave browser. So, and if you don't know how to download the Brave browser, I have another video about browsers and how to download a browser. I can put that in the link down below for you guys if you guys want to learn how to do that. But right now, let's get started on how to add the MetaMask wallet in the Brave browser and how to use the Brave wallet in this browser. So let's go. First of all, have your Brave browser open and type it here in the search bar, type in the MetaMask wallet. So adding the MetaMask wallet to the Brave browser is the same procedure for adding the MetaMask in any other browser. So if you add it to the Firefox browser, Chrome, Opera, it's the same for each browser, how to add a MetaMask wallet. But I just want to show you here and how to do it in the Brave browser. So right now, I'm gonna look for over here. Or I can just type in MetaMask. MetaMask, just MetaMask, type in MetaMask, sorry, just type in MetaMask instead. And over here, MetaMask. Click this one over here. So we type in MetaMask in the search bar now. Click on this one over here. And now, click on this one. Download for Brave. Now, click on Add to Brave. Add extension. And just wait for it. It's adding right here. Checking. And there we go. We have it. Oh, okay. Let me just X that. We don't need that extra tab. I just clicked by accident. So let's get started. It's gonna bring you here. When you click on the MetaMask extension, it's gonna bring you here. So let's get started. I agree. Now, since I already have a MetaMask wallet, I've created one before, I'm gonna import a wallet. If you guys don't have a MetaMask wallet and wanna create a new wallet, I can have another video for that. But right now, I already have a MetaMask wallet, so I'm gonna import my wallet. So I click on import a new wallet, and now I'm gonna use my 12 recovery phrase that I kept somewhere safe, and I'm gonna put now. So I'm gonna put my words here, and then I'm gonna put my password. It could be the same password. I'm gonna put the same password, and then I'm gonna click I have read and agree to the terms of use, and I'm gonna click on import. So I'm just gonna do that. So I put my words in correctly, and then I put my password in, and now I'm gonna import it. Make sure you type in the words correctly or else it's not gonna work. It's gonna show like this. So for example, if I take one word out, it's gonna show properly. So make sure you double check. You can double check by clicking this. So I have that all properly, and I'm gonna import it. All done. Great. So right now we have our MetaMask wallet added and our MetaMask account added. So right now I'm gonna add a new network. So I'm gonna go over here, I'm gonna add a network, and I'm gonna click on this one, Polygon Minute, and approve. And I'm gonna switch to Polygon Minute. So there we go. We have it. And now what I wanna do is I'm gonna add a new token. So right now I have one token in my account. I have a Matic. Right now I want to add an IXT token. So I'm gonna search up the IXT token on a new tab. So I'm gonna search it up real quickly. IXT token address. If you guys are having trouble on finding this token address, I can double check. I can put the link down below for the token. Token address. Oh, we go. IXT token address. Token address. IXT token address. Oh, there we go. I have it. Hold on. IXT token address. Polygon scan. There we go. So if you guys are having trouble looking for this, I will add that to the link down below. I'll just put in IXT token address and then you guys can just copy it. It's gonna be in the description down below. So now I'm gonna go back to my MetaMask and I'm gonna import the token right here, import, and then I'm gonna paste the token address. So I copied it, I'm now gonna paste it, right? So I copied it by highlighting it, right clicking and copying it. Now I right click and I paste it. Now I'm gonna import add a custom token and I'm gonna import the token. Okay, great. So now we have it there. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how to use a Brave wallet. So I'm gonna open a new tab and I'm gonna go here to the Brave wallet and I'm gonna learn more, learn more. And now what I'm gonna do is gonna import the existing wallet. So what we can actually do is that our MetaMask wallet, the 12 secret recovery phrase, we can actually use it. Since it's a crypto wallet, we can use it for other types of crypto wallet. So let's just click on import existing wallet. If you didn't have a wallet yet, you can create a new wallet. But right now we already have a wallet, so I select import existing wallet. And we're gonna use a 12 secret recovery phrase from our MetaMask account. So we're gonna click that and we're gonna continue. And then we're gonna use since you we're gonna do this, we can click on this, you can import from MetaMask. But let's just do this right now. Let's just use this. So hold on. Let's go back. Actually, instead, to make these things easier, because then we have to type it all out, we can just like import from our MetaMask. Since we already have our MetaMask extension added to our Brave browser, we can just import it right now. So I click on this, import from MetaMask, and now if you have your password somewhere safe, then just type in your MetaMask password. I don't want you guys to see that, so I'm just gonna click on that. Hold on, oh my god. There we go. I'm gonna continue now. Hold on. I'm not gonna enter a new password. I'm gonna use the same password. So hold on. Let me type that again. I don't think it matched. Okay, there we go. It matches. So let's continue. And then now we're done. We can talk about buying crypto and depositing crypto some other time, but right now we've just used the Brave wallet and we've connected our MetaMask with the Brave wallet. So right now, as you guys can see, if we compare our MetaMask wallet right here, to our Brave wallet. In our MetaMask wallet, we have 0.75 USD worth of Matic. And over here, we have about 0.75 USD as well. So we have the same assets in our MetaMask wallet and our Brave wallet, since they're technically the same thing. But instead, we're just using the Brave wallet, but it's still our 12 secret recovery phrase. So, yeah. And that's it. And one more thing, right now, we're missing a token. Right now, as you guys can see in our MetaMask wallet, we have an IXT token, but over here in our Brave wallet, IXT token doesn't show. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add that IXT token over here. So to do that, just go down and then click on plus visible assets. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the same thing how we added the IXT token in the MetaMask wallet. So we're gonna copy that. We're gonna copy that. We're gonna copy that IXT token again. So if you go back over here in the Polygon scan, we can copy that IXT token again over here. And then we're gonna go to the Brave wallet again, and then we're gonna add plus visible assets, right? So if you go to your Brave wallet and then scroll down, you're gonna click plus visible assets, and then you're gonna paste that. You're gonna paste that token address here. There. Now you're gonna press done. Now it should show here somewhere. Hold on, let's do it. Add. There we go. There we go. So I click on add, and then I select on the Polygon mainnet network. Since it's in the Polygon network. So we're gonna select Polygon mainnet. And then the take name is IXT token. And then token symbol is IXT. And then the decimal is 18. So just copy that information, Polygon mainnet, IXT token, and then IXT, and then 18, right? And then add. Now, click on done. So it should show here now. There we go. There we go, it shows. So there we go. If you guys look over here, our portfolio is 1.638. That's the total balance now for portfolio, Matic plus IXT combined. If you go down, right now you can see that we have Matic over here. This is our balance. It shows our balance over here, and then we also have our IXT token on Polygon mainnet. It also shows over here our balance. Yeah, that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, and anything else you want to learn, comment down below, like this video and all of our previous videos, and also feel free to watch them so you get to know what we're talking about and have your questions answered. And also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so you can be updated if you have any new content out, and so that we can also help you guys out and we can learn more. Okay, that is it. Thank you.